Hello there, good evening. We've had some autumnal warmth across the southeast during this afternoon. A change over the weekend though, where it's going to be turning chillier for all. Outbreaks of rain continuing this evening though across northern parts of England, eventually spreading into Wales, parts of southwest England. This could be heavy at times and also turn quite blustery. To the south of this, it should remain mostly dry, though there's still going to be plenty of cloud around, and mostly dry across Scotland, Northern Ireland, though some showers starting to creep in across the far north and northwest of Scotland, turning quite blustery here too. But with plenty of cloud around, it should be mostly a mild night for many, lows dropping to around 8 to 9 degrees Celsius across the north. It's set to be a very wet start to the weekend across northern parts of England, Wales, southwest England, and this system will slowly edge its way southeastwards. So now we have issued a yellow warning for rainfall across northern and western parts of the UK, so a chance this could lead to some disruption, also some localised flooding in many areas. To the south of this rain though, across parts of East Anglia, Sussex and Kent remaining mostly dry, a mix of cloud and also some brighter spells, and a mix of some blustery showers and brighter spells across Scotland and Northern Ireland. And it's not going to feel quite as warm as it did this afternoon, but temperatures still pushing into the low 20s across the southeast, but feeling a lot fresher across the north, particularly in the brisk breeze. Now, the areas of rain will continue for a time across England and Wales before eventually low pressure does drift its way into the North Sea, but it could turn quite blustery for a time across North Sea coasts as this does so. High pressure building into the Atlantic, and then we will eventually introduce a northerly flow into Sunday, so things are going to start to turn that little bit chillier, particularly across parts of Scotland, where we could see a light sprinkling of frost in some areas, but many towns and cities dropping to around 6 to 7 degrees across Scotland, Northern Ireland, perhaps just pushing into the high single figures elsewhere. And there could be still some cloud remaining across parts of England and Wales. Some outbreaks of rain could linger through the morning, eventually turning more showery in nature by the afternoon. But really, it's this northerly flow that's creating the change, dragging in some showers across parts of Scotland, perhaps even bringing in a sprinkling of snow across the very highest hills in Scotland. But what the real difference is going to be is the temperatures. Now, if we take a look at them, highs reaching around 16 to 17 degrees Celsius across the southeast, so a very different feel to what we've had this afternoon. Around the mid-teens elsewhere across the north, but if we take a look at actual wind chill temperatures, you can see they're a lot lower. So in any exposed spots in that brisk breeze, particularly across Scotland, it is going to be feeling much chillier. If you want more information on the weekend weather ahead, well, don't forget you can subscribe to our YouTube channel.